James, Henry, Gordon, Edward, and more are missing the battery covers. That means I need to make some new. Part of the Q&A, first question, can you make Daisy? I am waiting for a 3D printer. So, next, how much money do I spend on haul videos? Sometimes could be $5, $10, $20, up to $200. Next question, what kind of tools do I use to fix James, Henry, Gordon, and Edward? I use a screwdriver, this tool, solder iron, battery cover, excellent. What kind of markers do I use? I use oil-based marker. This battery cover is for Henry. Nice. Good. Next question, what is your favorite Thomas and Friends character and series book? I do not have a favorite character, neither book. Look, amazing, great, perfect fit. Someone asking me about a Kwaku custom model. I don't know. Next question, do you still make Tomy Trackmaster sticker decals? No, I don't make any more decals, and I don't have them for sale, sorry. Have you ever chosen doing custom IBOU or custom milli? Not yet. See, there is so many things coming on that I cannot even make more customs. I still have some halfway done, since there are so many companies sending me products for me to review or make videos and post them online. So anyways, would you make a collection video? Maybe not, and here is why. The reason is it takes so much time to put those engines on display that I do not recommend, and you're gonna get just few views. It doesn't work. Not good. If you are okay with that, then you can try, but I don't. What is the most expensive howl? I don't know if that's the right way to. I think it's $250, and let me tell you, $250 I spent, and I made $1,000 profit. That was a great deal. I recommend. If you find a good lot, that will be great. At the end, I sold everything separately for $1,000, $300, and I still have some more trains remaining. This battery cover is for Edward. Almost done. I'm just taking my time since I'm reading and answering these questions. Favorite custom? I do not have a favorite custom. Have I ever seen the film B movie? Yes, I have. Look at that. Excellent. This is for Edward. Cool. Someone asking me about a custom Fly Scotsman and sell it for $30 plus shipping to Brazil. Let me tell you, I can't do that. $30, it's actually it's $35 to ship an item from here to Brazil of that weight. That means no go, sorry. Do I prefer Tomy or Trackmaster? No, I don't have any preferences, but I do like motorized models, so I can buy, fix, or restore and sell them, and that's a good deal. Then I go for it. Can you do world's strongest engines video? Yes, I can do it, but since YouTube flags those videos for made up for kids, I don't go for it. I'll see if I can do one video, maybe see if it works. My thoughts on Magic Railroad, I haven't seen the video yet, so even I do work with Thomas and Trains models to fix and repairs, I haven't watched many videos yet or chapters. I think I answered that question before. Favorite season or episode? I don't have any favorite season or episode yet. Can you make Dudley the background engine? This is Mattel. I need to make some battery covers for that kind. But anyways, I still have another James. All my favorite engines. I do not have any favorite engines. So here is James Tender. Oh, amazing, perfect, excellent. Great. Can I make a city of Trudeau? Yes, I will try. I hope I have some times, guys. I haven't done any customs yet. What I mean is lately. Next question is for the Farquhar sheds. They will be available as a kit. How do I get so many Trackmaster, Tomy trains, whatever? I buy them from online, eBay, Facebook, yard sale, everywhere. Do I like the toys? Yes, I do like the toys. And let me tell you, I do like the trains. Do I collect Plarail? No, I do not collect any engines and nothing. I do not collect anything. I just buy and sell. That's the reason I am here. I started 2010 or 11 buying and selling Thomas and trains, and that's what I do. Do you still have Boko? Check my website, customtrackmasters.com. I buy and sell a lot, so if there is one available, it should be on the website. My favorite Thomas and Friends episode, I already answered that. None. Favorite custom? I do not have a favorite custom. The hardest to make light up engines, I think was Light Up Hero years ago. I already answered that question. I do not have any favorites episodes. What's the lubricant I use? Here's the one I'm using: Super Lube multi-purpose synthetic grease. This one right here. 8-tooth cokes or gears are for this kind of gearboxes. 10-tooth gears or cokes are for this kind of gearboxes. Same for the attached tender engines. 10-tooth gears. I do not have a favorite engine to fix or repair or restore, but I like them all. Which one do I prefer? I prefer the motorized jack. Wooden railway is okay, but I like the motorized models. Very nice. By the way, the battery covers are for sale on my website, Custom Trackmasters, link in the description. This one is for Edward, Henry, James, and Gordon. But remember, Toy or Tommy. Who or what inspired me to be a YouTuber? I'm not a YouTuber, actually. Even I do have 50 plus thousand subscribers. I will say myself, I will be a YouTuber when I reach 100,000 subscribers. At the time, I am not a YouTuber. Sorry if I give you that answer, but well, that's the way I think. Do I have a Bachmann engines, Thomas? Yes, I do have some, and most of the time I just sell them, buy and sell. I do not collect or keep them with me. I already answered that question, and I do paint the faces with this acrylic dolphin gray. Either way, with a paintbrush or airbrush. This is better. Before you buy any of these battery covers, let me tell you that there are different manufacturers and they might need to be adjusted. Before I ship these battery covers, I check they fit on the models I have. So some of these might look loose, extremely loose, or tight. If you need to adjust them, use the heat gun. Very careful, aim it to the top, and then when it's hot, adjust it very gentle. Otherwise, you might break the top, and I'm not responsible of that. But before I ship the battery cover, see, I show you that it fits perfectly. But like I say, there are so many different manufacturers, and there is a slight variation of width on the tender. But I'm pretty sure for Henry, all the battery covers fit perfect. The battery cover for James is the same you use for Gordon. Fits perfect. Very excellent. Now remember, these are not for Mattel. The ones have the hole for the screw. These are for Tomy and his toy company. And remember, these battery covers will look perfect on the top, but on the bottom they will have some bubble spots, so be aware of that. Some might not contain those bubbles. Another note, if you have Edward, make sure you pull both sides, because if you pull one side you might break it, and it's recommended to pull both sides. Obviously it will be the perfect fit. Now I need to finish cleaning up these battery covers. Alright, that's all for Q&A.